prepared for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this. Hold me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip. On your lip, better that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Cause I love you, adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how I feel when I break the chains. Whatever it takes. Singing on to the visual, I wanna be invisible. Looking at my years like I'm not a dumb. But I need to be a part of them. Never be enough from the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born to live. Hold me like a racehorse, hold me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip. On your lip, better that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how I feel when I break the chains. Whatever it takes.
It's funny how we go to banging just from drinking tea. These days all you need is Tinder, Fanny, and a weed. Fuck them sweet words, just give me the D.